Hi
Game.
everyone, I'm Almir Joy David Baldua, and I'm with my members named John Raven Padilla, Juniel Mangera, Jalomar Magtabog, and Andrew Marascas. So here we are to represent our own IoT-based poultry farm. So let's proceed.
Meet Alex. Alex wants to start a poultry farm to earn extra income. But there's a problem. He lives in a residential neighborhood. Raising hundreds of chickens there is illegal because of unpleasant smell, noise, complaints, and can cause illegal action. Instead of giving up his dream, Alex asks a bigger questions. What if I start my poultry farm in a remote area and use technology so I don't have to be there every day? This idea becomes the seed for a technology integrated remote poultry farm, a modern system where the farmers can manage chicken feeding, temperature, egg collection, and farm monitoring using IoT sensors, automation, and a mobile app. So, marami sa mga sa atin ay gustong magtayo ng ng poultry farm. Kaya lang nakatira tayo sa residential area or mataong lugar. Hindi naman po pwede na magtayo tayo doon ng poultry farm kasi marereklamo tayo na dahil sa mabawang amoy ng poultry. Pag nagtayo naman tayo sa remote area tas nag-arkila tayo ng magbabantay, ah, puwedeng lokohin nila tayo or puwedeng kumuha sila ng resources natin or mga chicken natin. Puwede nila itong, ah, katayin or kunin. Magko-cause ito ng pagkalugi. Kaya instead, tayo na lang din ang magbabantay nito gamit ang technology.
Problem statement. Traditional poultry farming faces several issues, like agricultural problems. Farmers in remote areas struggle to maintain consistent monitoring due to distance and a lack of manpower. Who is affected? Small-scale farmers, backyard chicken raisers, local buyers relying on stable poultry supplies, and communities affected by improper farm placement. Proposed solution: remote tech integrated poultry farm. A smart sensor-based poultry farm located in legal remote agricultural zone controlled through a mobile phone or a web dashboard. It includes IoT sensors for temperature, humidity, ammonia levels, and feed levels. Automated feeders and waterers. Solar solar powered CCTV and prepaid Wi-Fi modem for remote monitoring. App alert for temperature changes, low feed, and security issues.
How it works, system workflow. Step 1, install smart sensors in the poultry house. Temperature, humidity sensors, weight sensor for feed, environmental sensor to detect smell ammonia levels. Step 2, automation system. Automatic feeders triggered by scheduled or sensor. Automatic drinker system. Exhaust fans activated when temperature is high. Step 3, cloud database plus mobile app. Data from sensor is sent to the cloud. App dashboard shows real-time farm conditions. Users receive notification. Feed level low. Temperature too high. Possible human detected. Possible intruder. Please check your CCTV ASAP. Egg container almost full. It's harvest time. Step 4, remote management. Farmer can adjust systems using the app. Records are automatically logged for analysis. Reports are generated weekly.
Benefits for the farmers. Manage the farm anywhere, reducing daily travel. Better productivity due to work rate, environment control, less manual labor, and automated records prevent data loss or errors. For buyers, more consistent poultry supply, higher quality chicken due to healthier environment. For government, community, encourage legal zoning compliance, reducing odor and health issues in residential areas, help moderns and agriculture in rural regions. Challenging or limitation, initial cost of sensor and automation and need for basic ICT training for farmers, maintenance of electronic and components.
Here's the mobile app concept. So, this app, PoultryTech, is designed to help farm owners monitor and manage their poultry farm. Easily use their phone. The splash screen introduces the app, and after tapping continue, users are taken to the main dashboard on the home. They can check the current temperature and humidity, as well as view farm data through a simple chart. The chicken tab shows real-time visual of information about the chicken house. The devices, such as CCTV cameras, temperature sensors, and humidity sensors, including their online or offline status, or overall, the app provides quick monitoring and smart farm management in one place. And that's all. Thank you.